Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Bank of America for card controls on app step by step clearly. To begin, ensure you have the Bank of America mobile app downloaded on your device. Open the Bank of America app from your home screen. Log in using your existing user ID and password. If you do not have an account, select the option to enroll now. Follow the prompts to enter your personal information to create an account. Once logged in, locate the menu icon, which is usually found in the top left corner of the screen. Tap on the menu icon to open the navigation panel. Scroll down until you see the Card Controls option. Select Card Controls to access the settings for your debit or credit card. Here, you will see various options regarding your card, such as turning your card on or off. Choose the option that allows you to set limits or preferences for your card usage. Customize your settings based on your preferences for spend limits and merchant categories. Once you've made your selections, be sure to confirm your choices. You may receive a notification confirming that your card controls have been successfully set. To check these settings in the future, return to the Card Controls section in the app. Your card controls can now be adjusted whenever necessary for added security. Ensure you explore other features in the app for further management of your account. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.